Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. Welcome to this beautiful family. So if today is your first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe and like this video and give an encouraging comment. Yes, if you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can make a high quality foamy that will cleanse so well a liquid soap with just 2 ingredients. You know, ingredients, due to inflation and everything is expensive in the market, so we are trying as much as possible to cut down costs, and for sure this is working. You can make this for sale, you can make it for family use. If you are making it for sale, you are going to maximize your profit, because what you are using for this is just 2 ingredients. Then you will now add, the main ingredients is just 2. Then you now add your color, your perfume, and you package it. Adding preservative is not must. For me, I don't add preservative, but you can decide to add preservative to it, but for me, I don't add preservative. This channel is all about, is either you save money or you make money in this channel. So what I have here is SLS. So it's a white SLS, or a rice form of SLS. Then I dissolve it in a water. You can decide to dissolve it with a warm water. Dissolving it in a warm water will fasten the melting rate. Yes, you can decide to just dissolve it with a just normal water. Then you allow it to melt in the water. So I've dissolved my SLS rice and water, and this is how it looks. Then the other one in our list is sodium sulfate. This is sodium sulfate. It's a kind of salt. Anything you see sodium in it is a salt. So it acts as a thickener to give you the viscosity that you want in this production. So now this is the sodium sulfate. I'm going to dissolve it in a water. I'm going to use water to dissolve it. Have you seen how it looks? So with these 2 ingredients, you will make a very foamy that cleans. As you can see from the video I show you, you will see how I was using it to wash my plates. Do you understand? Yes, you can use it to wash plates. You can use it to wash it's a multiple. You can use it to mop your floor. You can use it to wash car and all that. Do you understand? Yes, it cleans. It removes oil stains. Do you understand? It removes oil stain. Yes, you can make liquid soap with just these 2 ingredients. You know, the country is very hard. All around the world, everything is getting hard. So all you have to do is to find a way to minimize costs. Yes, that is exactly what we are doing in this channel. You can make this for sale. So I'm going to drop the recipe for this in the description below. I'm going to drop the recipe in the description below. So check it on the description to see the recipe on how you can make it. I think I will drop recipe for 5 liters. Do you understand? Or 1 liter. Just I will drop recipe for 1 liter for 1 liter of this soap. Then if you now want to make it for 2 liter or 3 liters, you will now increase it. But just know that the sodium sulfate, the work of sodium sulfate now there is also, it cleans also, but the main work of sodium sulfate in this recipe is to increase the viscosity. If you want it to be so thick, you know that you're going to increase the amount of sodium sulfate that you're going to add. Do you understand? So you can, in a situation whereby you don't have sodium sulfate, you can also use salt. Do you understand? If I don't have sodium sulfate, I used to use salt, chloride, sodium chloride. That is what I use if I don't see this. So if you are watching this video up to this level and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like and share this video. The reason why I always tell people to share this video is a kind of help to people. If you share this video, You might see someone that needs this, that has been praying to see this kind of video. They might see it in your WhatsApp status or any group that you belong to. So share it with people to see and learn how they can minimize cost of production in liquid soap. It's just 2 ingredients. I can remember, I think I've made this video before sometime last year. I can remember that one of my friend came. She's my customer anyway. Let me tell you this story. She normally buys liquid soap from me. So after I made the video and I posted it on my Facebook, she saw it, she watched it. She now asked me, where will I buy it? I want to practice, so just let me practice. I said, okay. I was so excited that somebody wants to try it out. I told her where she would go and buy it. She bought it and came back, she made it. She was so excited. That is how I lost one customer like that. That is how I lost one customer. Up to this level, she has been making her liquid soap herself, for her plates, for her washing and all that. So you can make this as a stay-at-home mom, to reduce costs. Go to where they are selling these chemicals, get it and make it. You can decide to make it. If you want to put it color, fine. If you don't want to put it color, it's still fine. It's not once you add color to it. So I will add color and add perfume in it. You can decide not to add perfume. Is what you're using. If you want to add perfume, fine and good. You go there, just get a fruity perfume and add. If the viscosity you get isn't what you want, you can put a little bit of sodium sulfate and turn it and put. The work of that sodium sulfate is to thicken it. Do you understand? SLS, all of us, if you've been following me, you will know that I've explained a lot what SLS is all about. It's a surfactant. Is a foaming, it helps in foaming agent, it's a cleaning agent. Do you understand? So that is the work of SLS and Tezapon does the same kind of thing. I still have a video here on how you can make liquid soap with 3 ingredients. I think it's SLS and Tezapon and then salt, or you can substitute salt to sodium sulfate, anyone you want. So this is the final outlook of it. Have you seen how beautiful? You can package it for souvenir. You can package if you want it. If it is too light and you want to thicken it, go ahead and add it little sulfate in it. Just dissolve it in the water and add it, and everything will come out fine and beautiful. You will love the outlook. If you want to make it for sale, I am guaranteeing you. I think I will drop a recipe on how to make 1 liter and also 5 liter. So you times it, maybe 5 liters, so that you can make 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters. You just times it, the recipe and all that. Remember that color is as you desire. Then perfume is as you desire. If you want it to, if you're washing your place, somebody from mile away will be perceiving the aroma. No wahala, everything is on you. So subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting a lot of things from this channel. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. See you in my next tutorial.